The Presidential CEO Forum is an indigenous association initiated by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni to deal with private sector issues in Uganda. The platform represents the private sector, manufacturers and industrialists to work closely with government ministries and departments to reinforce private sector inclusion in developmental issues. In the bid to fulfill its mandate, the forum embarked on a field visit to Mutuma Commercial Agencies, one of the leading producers of high-quality hospital cotton wool for medical purposes in Uganda.
You came here in 2005. The time you came here, there was nothing here. So it was initially a cooperative union, but there was no machinery at all. So when you came here, you brought in machinery, started ginning. After setting up the ginnery machinery, put up an oil mill. So we saw that we needed to add value to the lint and the cotton seed. So at that time the prices were very low. So in 2011, we put up a cotton wool facility here to add value so that we process cotton wool. At that time, most of the cotton was being imported.
The Presidential CEO Forum, following its mandate to promote, harness and popularize private sector involvement, the forum, together with captains of the industry, paid a courtesy visit to Mutuma Commercial Agencies to assess the potential and feasibility of the revival of the cotton industry in the country.
As you all well know, PCF, which is the Presidential CEO Forum, is a baby of the President to ensure that the private sector links directly with the public sector to make a change in the local production of this country to add value. And I think what we've seen today is an initiative that we see that is 100% owned by Ugandans. They are working with our farmers. There is value addition, but also what is very key is that even the products that they are making, they are bought by the government, which is extremely key. And these are some of the things that the President has been able to push. I want to thank His Excellency the President, because as you know that they told you they started and they had challenges with markets, and just an intervention of saying NMS should buy from them, I believe was a key game changer for you. And some of these things are remain unsung. I can tell you many companies lack markets. So when you see government coming in to say we will buy from you, it has happened to so many others. And I think one of the issues now we are going to push forward as PCF is on the issues of regulation and promotion.
Previously, the cotton farmers did not have market for their produce, but when Mutuma Commercial Agencies started, they got ready market for the cotton. During a season of 3 months, a farmer is able to make between 2 to 3 million Uganda shillings per acre. This not only helps the outgrowers cover their daily expenses, but also reinvest for the next season.
Tuyambibwako nga ife abalimi abapamba kuva Mutuma Commercial Agency kubanga tufuna challenges ningi ino tuwolima pamba oluisi ofuna obuzibu nga wazira sente dakola ki dakozesa mu ngeri eyo ng'eddagala okufuwera pamba oyo ayi bw'otuukirira Mutuma Commercial Agency wano mu kampuni esobola okuwa eddagala wasobola okufuuyira ekirime kye kya pamba bw'ombaliriza then waleeta pamba okumutunda wano, era w'otuuka wano okumutunda bakuweerawo sente do mu kaashi baasalaku eibanda lye babanga bakuwaire mu iddagala eryo ly'ofuuyirisa pamba aba fertilizers oyo yena baasalaku esente. Nga ife abalimi ba pamba Mutuma eno atuyambye ino kubanga bw'otuuka wano n'akuwa kaashi wena osobola okufunaku esente disobola okuyambaku okuweerera abaana bo school fees n'ebindi ebyetaago eby'omu maka. Nga nze sizoni embanga animye eyiika endala ndifunamu emiliyoni 3. Kale kyabanga kinamba okuba nti ndi kujja mu maiso